Hi everyone, my name is Novi. I'm the eldest of the Pascual siblings. And ako ang isa sa mga apo ni late Aling Salud and Amado Mendoza.
Hi, ako si Erica. Ako yung pangalawang anak ni Erica Chola at apo ni Amado at Salud.
I'm Aiza. I'm the youngest granddaughter of Salud and Amado Mendoza. I'm the daughter of Eric and Chola.
Si Salud ay tubong Ilocos. Galing siya sa isang family of Chinese and doon nagsimula yung tradition ng Chinese food ng family namin. Meron pa rin La Moda, pansiteria yung tawag dun sa Ilocos, dun siya nagsimula. Yung La Moda nga lang, ang sinaserve nila ay fried noodles. And then si Salud, nung pumunta siya sa Marikina, ginawa niya yung variation ng fried noodles, which is yung fresh Mickey na naging pinagulong. Fondest memory ko kay Aling Salud, si Aling Salud kasi ay nagpalaki sa akin. So 2 months old pa lang ako, dinala na niya ako dito sa Manila from Ilocos. And technically ako talaga yung naging manika nila ng lolo ko. Growing up, lagi akong nandun sa tabi niya habang nagluluto siya. So nakikita ko talaga na it's really out of passion and the heart na nandoon for cooking. And yun yung lumalabas doon sa mga dishes na prepare niya. And I guess that legacy lived on until now. Kaya marami pa rin ang talagang may gusto ng pansit at saka yung Shanghai at yung mga luto ni Salud.
Yung pinakamalaking challenge sa amin is we're a very traditional business. Even the food that we serve is very traditional. No? Not everybody likes pancit, especially the younger generation, but we have to keep up. And some of them would prefer siguro yung mga medyo aesthetic, yung itsura ng place. Even the type of food, mas gusto nila yung mga pasta, sandwiches, mga cafe style of food. But for Salud, we want to keep it traditional. We want to keep it very comfort food-like. The traditional pancit and Shanghai pairing, we want to keep that because it caters to all generations, whatever age you're in. We want to maintain that quality of food and again, that feeling of eating comfort food. The other challenge siguro is we are a small family and most of us have our day jobs and professions. So it's quite difficult and challenging to maintain the business knowing that there are only a few of us who can really man the business, monitor it, and even keeping up with social media. I know that there are a lot of businesses that are really doing a lot of marketing stuff on social media, but we're trying. We really want to make sure that we also promote our products, the legacy of our grandma through social media.
Secret of the business talaga, I think, is the Pancit Pinagulong itself. Kasi it's the heart of the business. Ito yung talagang pinakasikreto ng Salud eh. Kasi sa lahat ng pansitterias or restaurant dito sa Marikina, I'm proud to say, na Salud Pansiteria lang yung natatangi na gumagawa ng sarili niyang homemade Mickey or homemade noodles. So, yun talaga yung pinaka-sikreto. And number 2, we make sure na yung ingredients namin are always fresh. We do the marketing every day. For example, yung aming signature dish, or one of our signature dishes, yung aming lumpiang Shanghai. Kapag in-order siya, dun pa lang siya gagawin. So, everything is fresh. And pinaka-pangatlo, one of our biggest secrets ay yung mga tao, yung staff namin na nililid ng aming mama, who is now the current owner of Salud Pansiteria. Yan talaga yung mga sikreto na masasabi ko ng Salud Pansiteria. Pag pinagsama-sama mo yan na yun.
I think all of us have it in us. It's innate. Because maybe we grew up with a love for food and we have a very discerning palate. And so all of us try to maybe have that love for cooking in our own ways. So I guess all of us have it.
Ang pinakamagaling magluto siguro si Aiza. Kasi siya yung may nakakuha ng palette ni Salud, yung hobby ng pagluluto nandun na kay Aiza. Though she's trying her best na kung magagawa ng variations, yung mga typical na pagkain. So, yun.
Ay, ako talaga, Diyos. Sa mga apo niya, lahat naman kami mahilig magluto, pero masasabi ko na pinaka nagmana talaga is yung aking mama. So, hindi talaga kami. Si mama ko, si Chola, noon pa man, nung nag-uumpisa pa nung kalakasan ng Salud Pansiteria, nung buhay pa ang aming grandma, nakuha na niya yung panlasa, nakuha na niya yung puso ng negosyo, paano patakbahin ito, paano palaguhin ito, na kaya hanggang ngayon, eto kami, nagpapasalamat kami na tinatangkilik kami ng aming mga mahal na suki, natangkilik kami ng mga tao. So I think siya talaga, ikaw mismo, Amerikenyo, natikman nyo na yung kanyang kare-kare, yung kanyang lengua. Wala talaga ako, promise, wala pa akong natikman sa kung saan restos, hindi man sa pagbubuhat ng sariling bangko. Pero iba talaga yung kare-kare ng nanay ko. Ibang menudo ni Chola, kare-kare. Parehas na kaparehas ng panlasa ng kare-kare, ng menudo, ng lengua ng aming late grandma. Promise.
Okay, last question. If you can talk, siguro kay Lola mo, ano yung message mo sa kanya?
That is very, I wasn't prepared, but that touches the heart. Nothing but gratefulness. Thank you, Grandma. We wouldn't have this legacy if not for your hard work and your kakaibang magic ng kamay sa pagluto. So thank you, and we miss it a lot. And we promise to keep your legacy, and as long as we're here, your apos and the future generations will try to keep Salud alive.
So if you can talk to Maring Salud, ano yung message mo sa kanya?
Grandma, thank you. Thank you for giving us this opportunity na itaguyod yung business at i-share sa mas maraming tao yung passion and love mo for cooking. Pinagulong has always been one of Marikina's pride. Walang kang mabibiling pinagulong sa iba. And I think that is something na we promise as much as we can na ituloy yung legacy na yon, and to serve the same kind and quality of food na inihain mo para sa mga Marikenyo.
Any message kay Lola Salud?
Oh my gosh. Grandma, thank you. Thank you kasi itinayo mo, ipinaglaban mo hanggang sa huli yung Salud Pansiteria na bumubuhay sa amin hanggang ngayon, nagpatapos sa amin na magkakapatid. Thank you, sobrang thank you. Ang gusto kong sabihin lang sana, I'm sure masaya siya sa kung ano kami ngayon. Kasi iniwan niya kami na magkakasama kami, na solid kami. Until now, magkakasama pa rin kami. So, because of Salud Pansiteria, wala akong masasabi kundi salamat. And we miss you.
Hi everyone, we'd like to invite you to come over sa Salud Pansiteria. Subukan nyo ang aming pinagmamalaking pansit pinagulong, iba pang favorites ng mga Marikenyo at iba pa namin mga suke sa iba't ibang places within Metro Manila. Try our lumpiang Shanghai, ang aming torta con carne, ang buttered chicken at marami pang iba.
Ang address po namin ay 205A JP Rizal Street, San Roque, Marikina. Open po kami from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Kindly like and share our Facebook page, All Caps Salud, space Pansiteria. And pwede rin po kayong tumawag sa aming landline, 7238-1930. So tara!
Let's eat pansit!